drinking bubble tea and that's my day. Driving through the coast to the sea. The holiday with you is so great. The summer dream, will you go there with me? We settled near the sea, so let's take a break, shall we? You do. We were chilling under the palm tree. Here we got some great memories. Go collect some shells by the bay. If we can have a cup of sea breeze. My summer dream, will you stay with me? We'll make friends with the fish, and let's enjoy our day, shall we? Until the sun goes down, there are adventures that have not yet begun. Set up the sail for our ship. It's just you and me, and we will go across the 7 seas.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons